Okay, we have a new package, new toy, and let's see, just came today from the US. Let's get my letter opener, and yeah, let's see how. Sorry. All right. So, what have we here? All right. Now, this is the SP-15. The Sonic Presence binaural microphone. It's USB-C, so you can in principle connect to any laptop or phone or any device with USB-C port. Let's see the box. It's really nice box. The printing could be improved, but that's not why I'm buying it. So let's see in the box. There's the microphone, USB-C connector. It's just a USB-C cable. Pouch, that's nice. And a quick start. Well approved. USB Type-C, 24-bit, 96 kilohertz. All right. See about for compatibility. Yeah. Here connect USB-C, and record. This is not a headphone. This is a binaural, special, whatever you call it, 2-channel microphone. So before I open this, you put each one on your ear. See, there's left and the right here, and you just record the audio, hopefully as if you were just as close as possible, as like you're hearing 2 channels and all the. So let's open it. Yeah, the box, I mean, I'm not buying for the box. The pouch is really soft. I love this thing. I'm a silly for this thing. Yeah, it's really soft. So you have this USB-C cable. It's a bit short, but probably you should be able to use any other cable like this one. Probably going to use this one or another longer one I have around. And this is and this is the thing. Hold on for a minute. Not being a case. Alright. So alright, this is the thing itself. Yes, you can see here's the microphone. It's well labeled. The red one is right, and the blue is and The black one is left. This goes like this over your ear, like this, left, and like this. No, it's not. Not too sure actually. Let's see for reference. It's not too short. I was thinking this cable was a bit short, which it is. But I like this one. You can slide it. And yeah, let me find something for reference. Let me find something for reference. No. A hand, regular size hand. I don't have anything for reference here. And my feet. Alright, the cable is fairly long. I have to test it. Right, this is knife, like 2.5 times the size of it. Regular knife is same length as a regular chef knife. So, all right, that's all for now. I'll try it. I'll try to get some sample videos I'm going to upload later. I'll let you know. So, one more thing. I almost forgot. I was thinking. The manufacturer, Sonic Presence, totally not sponsor. Yeah, wink, wink. No, anyway, just joking. I wrote them to ask them a couple questions before I buy it, and they respond quickly, and even in the bank holiday, yeah, they responded very quickly. Very, very nice customer service, and they, even when I bought this, they even sent me a mail, hey, your order is on the way. So good for them. I like that. So I'll leave you here. I'll leave you with this, and let me see if I can get good thumbnail for the video. Something like this. Let's see this. Yeah, you see. Let me see. Let me see. All right. Cheers. See you.